What if extinction wasn't forever? Imagine a woolly mammoth back in the Arctic or the passenger pigeon's call echoing again. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, resurrection biology, or de-extinction, is moving from fantasy to a real, albeit challenging possibility. But is it a conservation miracle or a dangerous step? Welcome to the Paleogenetic Time Machine, where we explore how ancient DNA can unlock the deep past. Now prepare for the ultimate genetic challenge, bringing back the extinct. De-extinction isn't magic. It's cutting-edge genetic engineering. Scientists use a few clever methods to revive lost species, often leveraging their living relatives. One approach is cloning, much like Dolly the sheep. You take preserved DNA from extinct cells, put it into a living relative's empty egg, and use a surrogate. The Pyrenean Ibex was briefly cloned in 2003, a historic first, though it died quickly. The real game changer is genome editing, often using CRISPR. Since perfect ancient DNA is rare, scientists edit a living relative's DNA, like an Asian elephant for a mammoth, with key genes from the extinct species. This creates a proxy animal that looks and acts like the lost one. The Woolly Mammoth project by Colossal Biosciences is doing just this, engineering cold-resistant elephants. For recently extinct animals, backbreeding can also work, selectively breeding living relatives over generations to restore ancestral traits. So, who's on the de-extinction wish list? Typically, species with good DNA, or those vital for ecosystems. The superstar is the woolly mammoth. Their Arctic DNA is well preserved. Projects aim to engineer woolly elephant hybrids, hoping to restore Arctic grasslands, which could even help fight climate change. Another key target is the Thylacine, or Tasmanian Tiger, extinct since 1936. Scientists are trying to bring back this unique marsupial predator to restore its ecological role. And the passenger pigeon, once billions strong, now targeted to restore its vital forest health role. Bringing back complex animals is incredibly difficult, requiring massive resources and years of work. De-extinction isn't just science, it's a huge ethical and philosophical debate. Arguments for highlight restoring nature and biodiversity using new technologies that can aid conservation for living species, and righting past wrongs caused by human-driven extinctions. There's also the pure scientific knowledge gained and the public fascination it sparks. Arguments against raise concerns about playing God and unforeseen ecological consequences. Could a resurrected species become invasive or introduce new diseases? There are also serious animal welfare concerns due to difficult processes and potential suffering. Many critics argue about resource allocation. Billions spent here could better prevent current extinctions. Finally, some fear a moral hazard, making us less vigilant about protecting existing species if we think we can just bring them back later. De-extinction pushes the boundaries of genetics, ethics, and our relationship with the natural world. It's a tantalizing prospect, full of both incredible promise and profound challenges. While no extinct animal has fully returned to create self-sustaining wild populations yet, the conversation alone forces us to confront our past impact on the planet and consider our future responsibilities. The journey of genetic time travel has just begun. For our next episode, we will dive into a related but distinct field, large-scale ancient disease genomics, exploring how studying ancient pathogens helps us understand diseases and prepare for the future. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Geneticist, like this video, and ring that bell for more scientific explorations. See you soon!